Hello and good afternoon to each and everyone. This is the video presentation of Tan and Torres, and our topic is all about how to solve intercept at asymptote and zeros of rational functions. Before we start our video tutorial, I have a question for you. Do you know how to solve it? Well, if not, let's start. The next step is we just need to divide both sides. So for example, we just need to copy, then two x divided by 2 is just cancel out 2 since hindi naman natin ma-divide yung 2 and 2, and this will become x. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So your answer for x-intercept is x is equals to 5. So the next is the vertical asymptote. Here, kailangan nyo lang isolve yung denominator for you to get the x value. So let's start. Yung denominator nila dyan is x minus 5 is equals to 0. So the first thing we need to do here, same as goes dito sa x-intercept, you just need to transpose yung negative 5 papunta dito sa right side. So let's go. Then this will become positive 5. Since hindi naman natin siya ma-divide, your answer is x is equals to 5. So here sa y-intercept, you just need to divide the values of your numerator and your denominator. So let's start. Dito, yung numerator, yung values ng numerator here is 10, while the values of denominator is 5. So let's write it down. Y is equals to negative 10 over negative 5. Ano yung answer? So the answer will be, since negative divided by negative is positive 2. And that's how you get y-intercept. Here's the horizontal asymptote. You just need, kailangan nyo lang tignan yung exponent ng numerator and denominator. Since the numerator, the exponent of numerator and denominator is equal, lagyan natin siya dito. 1. Since equal naman sila, lagyan natin ng equal sign. So next is lagyan natin ng a over b. Dito sa a, kuhain lang natin yung leading coefficient ng numerator, which is 2. And understanding naman dito na may 1 siya, so lagyan natin ng 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. And that's how you get your horizontal asymptote. Now next is the zero of the function. Zero of the function is kung ano yung answer nyo dito sa x-intercept, yan, yung zero of the function nyo is also the answer that came from x-intercept. So ito yung answer. So lagyan natin 5. So next is the horizontal asymptote. Here, dito sa example na to, since mas mataas yung exponent ng numerator compared sa denominator, so our n and n, so n is greater than m. Lagyan natin ng 2 and 1. So the thing we need to do here is just put 0. And that's your final answer. Almost forgot, kapag mag-square root tayo, kapag ano yung answer natin dito, lagyan natin ng positive and negative. And the zero of the function here is positive and negative. And the zero of the function here is positive and negative. So here, may binigay ako na examples. And I would like you to pause this video and solve it independently. I also provided you the answers para tingnan natin kung ma-match ba yung answer nyo sa answer ko. And that's how you solve for the intercept and asymptote and the series of rational function. I hope you enjoy and you learn something new.